Okay, when you sign up for Boosterthon, you're going to go to mybooster.com, mybooster.com. And actually, you may have already received a letter about this from your homeroom teacher. I know mine has already gone out, so you probably received that today because today is our kickoff. So once you do all your registering and everything, you're going to come in here and type our school's name. When you start typing Bell, it's right there. So we're Bell Nafigar Sanchez. And then, you're going to type in your student's name. I'll do my kindergartner. And then select the homeroom teacher name, and I agree to the terms. It's probably going to give me an error about saying I'd already added him. Yes, the student is already registered. So what you will see once you complete that for your student, this is what you're going to see. And when your student gets a certain number of entries, they get prizes for those entries. So if you have 10 friends or family members that log pledges for your student, your student will get entries into for some of these prizes. So you can upload a cute little photo of your of your student, and there's also something called a student star video. So once you have that picture uploaded, it will insert your student's picture here. It's like this really neat video, and you can put that on Facebook, Snap, Insta, TikTok, Twitter, whatever your preference is, to have your friends and family log pledges for your student. If you all have any additional questions about that, and then if you have multiple students, you would just follow the same process. But really, once you're registered, if you go to the pancake menu and register another student, you can do that there. Again, if you have any questions for us, please let us know. Thanks. Have a good night.